Hi there guys, and welcome back to another episode of Tom Voyage. Today we've got this brand new table from Zest, which they very kindly sent me. We're going to put it through its paces, show you what these different pizza ovens look like on it, and run you through some of the features. Let's go. So during my videos, I always get a lot of questions about what kind of tables I use for my pizza ovens. Now, all the tables that I've got at the minute are quite modern looking. They're black with a stainless steel top. So when Zest reached out to me to review their table, I was really happy to do so because I've not had one before that's this natural wooden look. So this one arrived the other day. It arrived flat pack, but it was very easy to put together. All you need is a couple of tools and it took less than half an hour. It's a good, sturdy, robust table, and it's got these handy shelves that pop out either side. It has a nice wide top, and it has these two shelves here that are handy for all your accessories. So size-wise, it's 73 centimeters wide, it's 83 centimeters deep, and it stands at a height of 88 centimeters. Now that height's important because when you're using a pizza oven, it's comfortable to have it slightly higher than a table that you would eat your food on. So this table is an FSC certified product and it's made using pressurized timber. So that means it's fine to leave outside in any kind of weather, and the company even gives you a 10-year guarantee against any kind of rot. So that's a basic overview of the table, but let's have a look at what some of the pizza ovens look like on it. So that's how some of my pizza ovens look on the Zest table. So now let me tell you a little bit more about this product. So one of the features that I like most about this table is these fold-out shelves. Now these are going to be handy for storing your ingredients or making your pizzas on. And one thing I found is that these boards from IKEA, they cost about £11, and they make a great addition because they fit on here perfectly to make your pizza dough. And then of course, once you're done making pizza, or if you're limited on space, you could have just one of the shelves down or have both of them down, and it makes the unit much smaller. So that's the overview of the pizza oven table by Zest. A couple of things that would be nice to see on here is maybe some hooks on the front so you can hang your pizza peel on. And another idea that you might find useful is to add some casters on the bottom, especially if you plan on moving this unit around. It weighs 42 kilograms and it is quite difficult to move on your own, so adding casters might make things a little bit easier. Now, one of the questions I'm sure I'll get asked during this video is, will a gas bottle fit on this shelf under here? Now, this is an 11 kilogram gas bottle, and as you can see, it's too big to fit on that shelf. Now, you might think you could remove this middle shelf here, but that is what's used to hold these side shelves up, so you can't really remove it. On the plus side though, a 5 kilogram gas bottle, the smaller patio gas than this, is only 315 millimeters high, which will fit perfectly under there. To be honest, it's not really a problem that the gas bottle doesn't fit under because I tend to have it at the side of the table on all my other tables. I like to save these shelves for things like your pizza peels, your dough boxes, and any ingredients you might need when making pizza. So as always, I'll put links in the description as to where you can buy this table. And as a special treat for watching this video, you can get 25% off the price by using the discount code TOM25. So head over to Zest. It's not just pizza oven tables that they make a whole host of outdoor garden furniture. It's all really nice quality and it's all at a great price too. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for more pizza making videos.